Wait till you try this easy potato side dish with frozen vegetables. Hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and today I'm going to share with you how to make some frozen mixed vegetables potatoes au gratin. It comes together and cooks in about an hour, and it tastes really great with any main dish you're serving. So join me in the kitchen and we'll make this today. I like to use a mixture of sweet potatoes and regular potatoes for this potatoes gratin. I really like the combination and it looks really beautiful in the plate. So first you want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, set out an 11-inch oven-safe casserole dish, and grease the bottom of the dish with butter or spray if you want. In my enamel pan, greasing is unnecessary. Next, you need to prep the potatoes. Use a mandolin to slice the potatoes thin, up to a 1/4 inch thick. You can slice them all the same thickness or vary the thickness like I do in this recipe video. It really doesn't matter, but sometimes I change it up just because I like to get creative in the kitchen. Add a layer of half the potatoes to the casserole dish. You can mix both yellow and sweet potatoes, or just do yellow potatoes on the bottom and sweet potatoes on top. Again, it doesn't really matter, whatever you're in the mood for. Next, you add a layer of half the mixed frozen vegetables, and then you add the rest of the potatoes without overflowing the casserole dish. I'm using a bag of frozen vegetables that have carrots, corn, red pepper, and I think that's it. Whisk together the milk, flour, and pesto. Pour the pesto milk mixture over the potatoes, sweet potatoes, and frozen veggies without overflowing the casserole dish. Top the frozen mixed vegetables, potatoes au gratin, with cheddar cheese and bake in the oven covered with foil for 30 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for another 20 to 30 minutes until potatoes are easily pierced with a fork and the top is bubbly and cooked. Doesn't this look so delicious? Potatoes au gratin is very easy to reheat. Just pop it back in the oven the next day for about 20 minutes. Well, I hope you're inspired to get in the kitchen and make this delicious potatoes au gratin with frozen mixed vegetables. It's really one of our favorite dishes around here right now, and using pesto gives it a really nice touch. If you like the idea of making your own sauces because they taste so good when they're homemade, you have to check out my new recipe for spinach basil pesto. It's made with walnuts and a little lemon, which really brightens up the flavor. This is a really easy recipe to make. Even if you've never made a pesto, you'll be really good at making it. You just need to have a food processor. So if you want to take your pasta night to the next level, go ahead and find my spinach basil pesto recipe at sipbitego.com. If you love to eat delicious food, make sure to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube. I have so many delicious recipes heading your way. Subscribe today. Until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!